Hi everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to each ever part of the world you are watching from. Welcome to my real and live challenge. So our question for today is, what makes me motivated? First of all, if there's people, if there's someone who makes me motivated, it's my family. My family who's been there, who's been supporting me on this journey of my successful online business. And ganun din, they are the reason why I started the business. And second thing, the reason why I keep motivated is because of this. Look at this. Hindi ko na imagine before na I can make extra, I can earn extra even at the comfort of my home, even if I'm traveling, and even if I'm with my family, enjoying time with them. And through this online business, ito, imagine just this tree. It's equivalent to almost my salary for 2 weeks, and nakuha ko lang siya dito. So ito ay pero hindi siya overnight. Talaga kailangan maging consistent ka na gawin ito. Pero simple lang kasi ang gamit ko lang ay ang aking phone plus internet. And isa pa, the reason why I like this business is ang reach namin is more than 28 plus countries. Imagine. And we don't we don't chase people, we don't recruit people, we don't bag our relatives and friends. The only people who come to us is those who has positive mindset with us, who has dreams to change and create the best for their family. And that is why we call this attraction marketing. And so if there's any one of you who is also interested to to create the best for yourself, for your family, all you need to do is just send me a message, or you can register on my website. It's www.tonyrubis.com, and I would be happy to share all the information that you need to get you started. So www.tonyrubis.com, and I hope to chat you soon. That's it for today. Bye-bye.